Yo, first order of the day just came in. Kitchen Table Cafe, $7.75 going 3 miles. Hello. Just picking up for Tammy.
Should be it. Let's double check. Yeah, Tammy H.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What the total for that ended up being $13.75. There was like a $10 tip on that order. That is crazy. Just as I pulled into my spot, the next orders came in. It's a stacked IHOP. I believe it said like $12 going 5 miles.
This one's a bit heavier than this one.
Okay.
Right ones?
Yes. Thank you. Okay, well, this brought me to an apartment complex. There's no room attached to it, so. Didn't give me a apartment number. Did you want me to bring it to the office?
It should be right next to the kids' playground.
Some people are just really not the brightest. First of all, he didn't include his apartment number. Like, how do you forget that? And second, he said his building was right by the kids' playground. Yeah, I checked and there were 3 buildings right by the kids' playground, so that didn't really help too much, did it? Pretty sure I've delivered here before. Somewhat recently. Oh, nice. Total ended up being $10.50 for this one, which means the stack was like 16 bucks. Kind of makes up for the first order. Next order up is another IHOP. This one's $7.75 going 2 miles. You too, thank you.
I would have got that for you.
No problem, thank you. This Chick-fil-A order just came in. It was $8 and some change going about 4 miles. I doubt it's ready, but let's go inside.
Here's that.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Morning. Next order just came in. It's a voodoo donut, $7 going about 4 miles.
Okay, and you're here to pick up? Right here.
Perfect, thank you.
Drive safe.
Thanks. Thank you.
Hi.
Looks like they're celebrating something. And there was a small hidden tip on that. I think it was $1 extra. Next order just came in. It is a Seize the Bagel, $7 going less than 4 miles. Pretty close, so I'm just gonna take it.
Perfect. Where you are, sir? Have a good day.
You too. Next order just came in. 7-Eleven. I believe it's at $11.50 going just under 6 miles.
Thank you.
4, 8, 9, 10. 10 drinks. Next order up is a Jack in the Box, $7.75 going under 4 miles. I'm right next to it, so I don't think it's gonna be ready yet. Thank you. You too. Total ended up being $9.75 for that one. Hidden tip on it. I'll take that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Chick-fil-A order. $10 going 6 miles. Of course, it's upstairs. Always upstairs. Next order up is the shop and deliver for alcohol. $12.25 going less than 6 miles. Only one item. That was probably one of my fastest alcohol orders ever. It took me longer to park than it did to find my stuff and check out. And then just scribble on that red line for me. Good enough for me.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right, it's super dead all of a sudden. Haven't gotten an order in like 10 minutes. So I think I'm just gonna call it here. Current time is 11:40. Total is 106. Decent day, I'd say. Not bad. Nothing too crazy though. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.